Here's a quick look at AliExpress automatic stiletto. There's several sellers selling this type. Seems to have a wood handle. It's about 4.5 inches closed, and it has the typical spring mechanism in here. This releases a pin that's in this way to allow the blade to open. It does open smoothly. At this point, there's a pin that goes across that keeps the blade from closing. It is fairly sharp. I haven't done anything to it, but I would definitely sharpen it. It says by Bill DeSheaves, possibly, AKC, Italy. It also came with this little case, and it was shipped in this box, and it was kind of weird. This was the shipping envelope. It took about 3.5 weeks to get from China to the US. It looked like it went through the LA terminal and then distributed to Vegas, and then Vegas they shipped out through the US. I think I paid about $26 with shipping and everything. The thing I don't really like about it, it's kind of wide here, but maybe they're all that way. I'm not so sure I would put it in my pocket just to carry it because of that. But, you know, it is what it is. And I'm happy with it. So, just a review to let you have an idea. Oh, I wanted to give you an idea of what it looked like in length. Open. It's looking just shy of 7.5 inches. So the actual cutting area of the blade is just at 3 inches. So if you're interested in one of these, might help you out making your decision. I'm okay with it. So please like, share, and subscribe.